Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing this blue smoky eye, a little bit more on the dramatic side. It's good for a night out, fancy dinner, anything that you really want to wear it to. It can be worn to. I really enjoy this. It is a little bit more on the dramatic side. We kind of elongated the lashes by accident, but it all turned out all right. So if you guys want to see how I created this look, then please just keep on watching. So welcome back to my channel. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna go ahead and I'm doing an intro, so I'm just gonna go ahead and jump right into this. Today, I already have my foundation on. I do have my brows halfway done and my eyes are prepped. I didn't do concealer and stuff yet just because I'm using blues today and I want to be able to not have a black eye after I'm done. So we're going to go ahead and jump right into this tutorial. So today I'm using the Jaclyn Hill palette and my Gwen Stefani Urban Decay palette. I will read the shade names off to you as I use them. So first I'm going to be going in with Silk Cream, going in Windshield Wiper Motions. And this is going to be my transition shade. And now I'm going to be taking my Morphe 441 brush and I'm going to be dipping into Creamsicle, focusing it more so on the outer corner. And then once I've blended a lot of that out, I'm going to bring it into the center, or the inner corner. I'm just keeping it high, keeping it in the crease. Oh my god, guys, I hope that this lighting turns out. Finally, I'm pumped. I just decided, like, I'm not going to put out content that I'm not 100% proud of anymore. Like, before I would just do, I would be like, whatever, I'm gonna post it so I can post. And no, I'm not doing that anymore. And now we're gonna go in with the blue. Using my Bare Minerals Detail Shader Brush, going into Danger, which is a dark blue shade, tapping off the excess, and I'm gonna be focusing that on the outer mobile lid. Picking up a little bit more product here as well. Okay, now I'm just going to go in with no product on my Morphe 139 and start to blend out those edges. Now I'm going to be going in with the shade Twerk from the Jaclyn Hill palette. And I'm going to just be placing this all over my lid. See how I'm kind of hollowing out my eye too? Right where the crease is. Alright. Bam! Okay, now I'm going to be taking my Morphe 441 and I'm actually going to dip into, or 139, and dip into Creamsicle and just go ahead and keep Creamsicle above and blend those edges so delicately. So you have it very defined that there is orange here, right? And then the blue here. So you want this little lid that overlaps here to look completely tapered. So it just, okay? So I picked up a little bit of blue, little bit of blue. I'm going to look down so I can really see where everything starts and stops. Start low and then bring it high. I'm going to go ahead and tightline too with my Lasting Line by Bare Minerals. The easiest way to tightline is to just lean your head back and look down and try to look away from where you're doing it. So like what I do is when I'm doing this side, I do this way and then fill it all the way as close as I can. And then when I do this side, I look this way. So like my eyeball is never really directly into the pencil. I'm gonna go ahead and curl and mascara and lash up real quick. So I'm gonna do these top pair here. Isn't this so cute? My friend Josie got it for me for one of my Christmas presents, and like, I love it so much. Feeling it. Now I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my concealer just to clean this bitch up RQ. I'm gonna be using my Bare Minerals Bare Skin Concealer in the shade Medium. It looks really light. I'm just setting down a little powder. I hate doing this, but you gotta sometimes. I just hate doing it because it makes me so dry and shit. I'm gonna go ahead and take, it's a brush that came in a set that my mom got me forever ago. It's from, and I'm gonna be taking a little bit of the creamsicle shade and buffing it all under my eye. And now I'm going to be taking my Morphe B83 brush and I'm going to be using powder and I'm going to be focusing out a little closer to the bottom lash line. Now I'm going to be going ahead and taking Twerk. This is an IT Cosmetics smudger liner brush. I think I'm going to use the liner side to pick up the product and then the smudger side to blend it out, just so it's very precise. Die. So now I'm going to go ahead and put some more black liner in my waterline. I'm going to focus this on the lower line too. And then now I'm going to take this precision brush and I'm going to be dipping into Beam. And I'm just going to place it in the tear duct there. I'm going to be dipping into my Bare Minerals contour palette. I'm going to be using the Pop shade, which is like the banana shade. And then now I'm going to be using my ANASTASIA Beverly Hills contour kit. I have contour kits 1 and 2, and what I did was put all the illuminators and brighteners in the 1 and then put all of the bronzers in the 2. So this is all of the bronzers. I'm just taking a powdery brush and do it like this. And I like to do this after the highlighter because the banana powder is a little heavy. So I don't like a heavy under eye highlight. So I do it this and then I kind of blend out the highlight with this. I'm going to take the cooler tone shade. You see, like my nose actually stops like here. But I want it to look smaller, so I want this line to be thinner. Now I'm going to just be taking a little bit of Espresso mascara. It's a defining mascara by Bare Minerals. So this kind of coats the hairs for me. See how that just ignites the hairs in the center? And then now we're going to go ahead and pop on a little setting spray just to set everything in place. And then I'm going to take some highlighter. My MAC Soft and Gentle on an e.l.f. concealer brush. It always starts off like, I'm going to do it subtle, and then I do it everywhere. I like my cheeks to be nice and natural, so I blend that out so it's not as beaming. It's a little nicer blended that way. And I'm really digging this so far, though, for real. Now I'm just going to go ahead and take my CoverGirl Lip Perfection in 210 Seduce. I go a little bit above the Cupid's bow. This is the shade This is like my favorite shade ever. I am going to go ahead and take a little black mascara. This is Great Lash and just put it on my bottom lashes. So guys, this is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed this. It's really nice to go see your grandma, go to the club. I actually think that this should be a permanent everyday look. It was really fun recreating this. Shout out Crispy for the inspiration. I mainly used the Jaclyn Hill palette during like the whole look, so I definitely know that you would only need this palette to recreate this. Follow me on all social networking. It's Kendoll 1N5Ls, Twitter and Instagram. Facebook really is there. It's my name, Queen. Thank you guys so much for all your love and support, and I can't wait to see what you guys want to see next. And have an awesome day.
TTYL.
Hush! 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 Mark! Pretty heavily. I don't want to use that mirror. I gotta know. Where's my sponge? They're a little bit far out. Damn. I wonder if I can scoot it. Hold on. I'm about to just do the other one kind of winged out too. Lillian, no. Get. But a bitch does not want to look dead, so. Alright. Well, my waterline's fucked. We're definitely putting some black eyeliner in that bitch today. But yeah, so